Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Saturn. Rules Capricorn, sub-ruler Aquarius, exaltation Libra, detriment Cancer, fall Aries, responsible, good or bad result of action. Jif, sickle of Kronos, the god of time, represents urge for security and safety. Anatomy, the skin, the skeletal system, including the teeth, ligaments, knees, left ear and auditory organs, gallbladder, parathyroid glands, body protein. Keyword, the teacher. General, rules form, discipline, responsibility, organization, ambition, capacity for a career, limitations, sorrows and delays. Saturn rules theories and scientific law, older persons, depth, patience, timing, tradition, conventionality, orthodoxy and productive use of time. Saturn represents the principles of truth, of contraction, of solidification, of wisdom and of aging. Its action is slow and lasting. Saturn is the taskmaster of the horoscope. In earlier times it was known as the Greater Malefic. Where you find Saturn in the horoscope is where you feel least secure and tend to overcompensate. 10th house, it means public. It shows your public life, reputation, profession, authorities, apparent, status, ego. Natural sign is Capricorn. Natural ruler is Saturn. Keyword is honor. 10th house is a house of substance and earth. Quality is angular house. General, the 10th house shows your career, reputation and position in the community. And it shows your ego, status, reputation, promotion, ambition, business and social activities, your employer, the government or any other agency for you. This house shows your achievements, how the world recognize and evaluate you and your influence in your own circle. Here we see the church as an organization and opposite parents from the one represented by your 4th home. Saturn in the 10th house. The placement of Saturn in the 10th house is an important statement in the birth horoscope, which can have a positive effect or can have negative effects depending on other aspects in the chart. On the one hand, with the positive aspects, you work hard with the ability to overcome early adversity in your life and gain the respect of other people. You have the ability to rise above adversity due to a willingness to take responsibility and persevere where others would lag behind. On the other hand, with negative effects, you may experience delays and failures in your career, either because of your own lack of integrity or through no fault of your own. In some astrological schools, the planet Saturn is considered the master of karma, which means that this planet forces us to reap the consequences of past actions, whether in this life or in the previous one. It is possible that by register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.